Hello, today we will make a very simple cookie recipe. Only 3 ingredients needed: butter, sugar and flour. So we start with 100 grams of butter. That's 101 gram, very good. And also this recipe will have 60 grams of water. Grams of butter, so then we have 160 grams here. And we put it to warm up to melt the butter, and meanwhile we will add the other ingredients, which is flour, 225 grams. Let's put the flour. 100.
Yolk.
The butter is already boiling water there, yeah?
Yeah.
205. 210.
Oh yeah, so ready.
225 grams of flour, and we have 90 grams of sugar.
Put.
Let's put the sugar.
Put.
Okay. 90 grams, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90,
Stop.
92. That's the most important. You start right away by heating up the oven. Don't waste time. And we have the butter, water, sugar, flour, all ingredients we mix together.
Yeah.
In this recipe we need one extra ingredient. As the flour is a simple flour, we will add baking soda.
That's baking soda or baking powder.
Yes, baking powder. We will add 2.5 milliliters of baking powder.
Yeah.
This will be approximately. And mix it nicely. Mix it all together.
Why we put on here? Why we put on here?
And we make cookies like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cookies, yay! Cookies.
In small little balls.
Yeah.
And press it in your hands. By the way, the oven is preheated at about 175 degrees or 180 degrees.
I don't know what geese.
You don't know what degrees?
No.
Hot degrees. Oven hot.
This hot.
Yes, very much hot. And we will also do one little variation for part of the dough. We will add some raisins.
Yeah.
While waiting for the first batch, I made another one with some carob powder and sunflower seeds. So after 20 minutes in 175 degrees, they are cooked. You can see that they are getting a little bit brown, brownish on the bottom. Here is the end result. Some cookies with carob and sunflower seeds, and some simple cookies with raisins.